subtract 3pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. So we know when we have to subtract, the expression after from has to be written first, followed by this expression. And since these two expressions have to be subtracted, they are connected by the minus sign. So this will be the first step. I repeat, the expression after from must be written first, followed by this expression. And since the two expressions have to be subtracted, we need to connect them with a minus sign. So this will be the first step. So let's simplify this. So here we see that 2pq has to be multiplied with p plus q. 2pq has to be multiplied with p plus q. How do we do that? We need to multiply 2pq with p first and then 2pq with q. So 2pq into p will give us 2p square q, because p into p is p square. P to the power 1 plus 1, p square. So 2p square q. And to multiply the signs, it's plus here. 2 has a plus sign before it, so plus into plus, plus 2pq into q. So q into q is q square. So we have 2pq square, 2pq square. And here we need to multiply minus 3pq with p. So as always, whenever we are multiplying two terms, we need to first multiply their signs. So p carries a plus sign before it. P has a plus sign before it. So whenever we have to multiply two terms, we first multiply their signs. So 3pq has a minus sign. The sign is the sign preceding the term. 3pq is preceded by a minus sign. P has a plus sign. Within the bracket, inside the bracket, P has a plus sign. So when we have to multiply 3pq and p, we first multiply their signs, minus into plus, minus. 3pq into p is 3p square q, because p into p is p square. So 3p square q. Again, when we need to multiply 3pq and q, we need to first multiply their signs. Q has a minus sign, 3pq has a minus sign. So minus into minus, plus. We need to multiply this term and this term. So we first multiply their signs, minus into minus, plus 3pq into q, 3pq square. Why? Because q into q is q square. Q into q is q to the power 1 plus 1, which is q to the power 2, or q square. So we have 3pq square. So now we have removed the brackets. We need to identify the like terms to proceed. So here we have p square q. Here we have p square q. So they are like terms. 2p square q minus 3p square q. Like terms can be added or subtracted depending on whatever the signs say. So p square q comes as it is. Simplify the numerical coefficients 2 and minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, or simply minus p square q. Now simplify pq square and pq square, like terms. So pq square comes as it is, plus 2 plus 3, pq square plus 2, pq square plus 3, plus 2 plus 3. Same signs, so we need to add and put the same sign, which is plus 5. So plus 5 pq square.